Ano kailangan ni master? Yes. Yung sarili nyo. Okay? Alright, I'm going to show you 4 things. How can we master ourselves? First, guys. Okay, can everybody read that? First, there. You have to ask yourself, ano ba yung mga bagay na kaya ko gawin ngayon? Nung high school ako, believe me or not, you may be hearing wonderful things about me today. Pero nung high school ako, believe me or not, I might have to love before love. Pero you can ask your teachers here, who was Byron Santana back in high school? Never mind, just forget about it. Why? Kasi medyo forget ako ng experience ko ng college. I did not take my high school life seriously. Okay? Sakit ako ng ulo ng mga teachers ko. You can ask Dr. Faustino about it. So, I was completely nothing when I was in high school. Pero buti na lang, na after I graduated from high school, because of taking a look at yung status ng buhay ng aking pamilya. Kasi, I wasn't born and raised in a well-to-do family. My father is a carpenter. My mother is a sidewalk clothes vendor. So, after ko mag-look sa high school, buti na lang kahit graduate ako nila sa Florida pa lang. Okay? Sa awa ng Diyos, sa awa ng mga teachers ng high school. Tumingin lang ako sa mga magulang ko. Eka, after ng high school, this time around, hindi na pwede ang sira ulo. Hindi na pwede ang hindi nag-aaral mabuti. Hindi na pwede yung black hole. Hindi na pwede yung barkada. Hindi na pwede yung happy-go-lucky. I've got to do something to lift my family off from poverty. So buti na lang, when I went to college, yung aking interest sa pag-aaral, bumalik lahat. Ang aking sigla sa kung ano ang mas mahalaga sa buwan, bumalik lahat. So fortunately, kung ano man ang narating ko ngayon, I owe that sa pagbabago na may pagdad ko, ang aking way of thinking nung ako'y nasa college. When I was in college, that's also one of the things we're going to talk about. Sobrang active ko sa student leadership. Maniniwala ba kayo before I graduated from college, and not that I'm bragging, but I was able to graduate with honors, having 16 organizations all at the same time. Half of which I was either the founder, the president, or the chairman. Medyo is it sounding possible? What? You graduated with honors, tapos 16 na organisasyon inside and outside Polytechnic University of the Philippines, all at the same time. Tapos kalahati ikaw yung founder, president, or chairman. Sir Byron, niloloko mo naman kami. Posible yan. Kasi it's all in the mind. Okay? It's all about managing your... Okay. That's why I haven't answered that, because time management. Nakataw siya sabi, it's all about managing your time. Personally, okay, but I'm not really requiring you to take my words for it. This is just my personal opinion. I don't believe in time management. Ask me why. There's no such thing as time management. Why? Because all of us have 24 hours a day. Pare-pareho lang tayo 24 oras sa araw. Sino meron dito 30 hours a day? Sino meron 48 hours a day? So it's not really time to manage, because time remains constant. Hindi nagbabago yan. What you should manage instead, what you should strategize about instead, would be your priorities in life. At yung mismo sarili nyo. Diba? Yung iba, why are they able to accomplish a lot in a day? Dahil, they also sleep. Pero, they sleep just enough. Hindi sila nag-oversleep. At pag-ising sila, they are doing something significant, not just for themselves, but for their society. They are doing something that will slowly but surely lead them to their success. Tama? Yun. There's no such thing as time management. What you should manage instead would be yourself and your priorities in life. And believe me, you can also emulate that. What we have achieved, you can also achieve in your life. If you would only be focused on your priorities and yourself. Are we clear so far? Nakalimutan nyo na naman. Ano ba yan? Okay. Great. Next. What you know now and in the future. Ano ba ang nalalaman ko? Saan ba ako magaling? Okay? Magaling ba akong sumayaw? Sino ko magaling sumayaw? There, guys, ang talento nyo, okay, you don't just have them for the heck of it. Hindi na lang para sa ECA o extracurricular activities. Kung ano ang talento nyo, i-hone nyo yan. Kasi sa college or after college, baka yan ang magpayaman sa inyo. Baka yan ang magpasigat sa inyo. Baka yan ang magbigay ng magandang buhay sa inyo. Why am I having you give importance to and harness to improve your God-given talents? Why? Kung magaling kayo sumayaw, improve after college, be a professional dancer, right? And professional dancers earn lots of money. Kung magaling kayo kumanta, okay, stick to it, love it, live with it, improve it. And in college, even beyond college, a professional singer ka, baka ikaw na ang next service campaign. Baka ikaw na ang next sa akin mo. And do you know how much a service campaign or sa akin mo earns singing professionally? Millions of pesos. Okay? Saan ka ba magaling? Magaling kang tutula? Ano ba sumilit ko ang tutula? Nowadays? Magaling ka bang umakit? Sino magaling umakit dito? Okay? Yan. Baka in college, after college, diyan ka madiskubre. Alright. Does everybody get my point? Alright? Kung ano magiging ano ka in the future, it all depends on what you know now and what you can do today. And sometimes it's not just what you can do, it's also what you can do very well. Okay? Kung ako nung high school ako, hindi man ako nagseryoso sa aking pag-aaral, kahit paano, na-discover ko yung mga talento ko sa buhay. Kasi, if I remember it right, I was dancing, pinalalaban ako ng notes ko sa extemporaneous, impromptu, natin ako, nag-innovation ako. So, kahit paano, natupos ako yung other side of me. And, all of those talents that I discovered when I was in high school worked to my advantage when I was in college. Kaya naging very versatile at jack of all trades ako in college. That's also one of the reasons why I was able to graduate with honors and yet I was able to become very active in student and in community youth leadership as well. Okay, next! It also depends on your personality. Guys, why does it depend on your personality? Kasi sometimes, yung iba sa atin, yung mag-isisyon tayo, gaya-gaya, wow, sa lawyer, daling pera, isang kaso, 6 digits in pesos, magiging ganyan ako. Even though you know yourself, that's not your personality. So what happens to you? You end up failing. You end up regretting that you took law in college only to find out that's not your personality and you're not going to have a great life or an enjoyment in it. So guys, kilalanin niyo mabuti ang sarili niyo. Kasi, pag kilalanin niyo mabuti ang sarili niyo, kung ano yung personalidad niyo, yung ang magdadala sa inyo, kung anong course ang take niyo sa college, at kung ano magiging karera niyo after education. Okay? Who would have thought na magiging corporate trainer and motivational speaker ako? Right? I could not foresee what would happen in my life. Pero, the reason why I'm doing this now is, inisip ko, when I was in high school, well, isa na pumunta ako ng bako, magaling ako magsalita. So why not make that work to my advantage? Magaling ako magsalita, and I believe in myself very well, gagawin ko ang galing ko sa pagsalita para kumita ako, para maging successful ako sa buhay. Because that's what my personality is. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright. So no, you have to master what you know now, and add more to it. You have to think about what you can do now and what you can do well, and you have to acknowledge your personality. And last but not least, guys, you have to know what you love and what you are passionate about. Let me interview a few people here. Okay. Ito, tanongin natin ito si Jenny, what do you love doing and what are you greatly passionate about? Tayo hindi ko lang ginagaya sa ibang tao. When I say you love, mahal mo siya, Papakamatay ka para sa gawain ito at you are crazily passionate about it. What is it? You can just say a one-word answer. There. So medyo mahihayin siya, pero sabi niya, drawing. Ngayon, if that is what you love and you are passionate about, why don't you pursue something about drawing in college? Ano yun? Architecture. What else? Well, nag-draw din siguro ang mga painter. Right? Pati ang mga engineers. At pag pinursu mo yung mga courses na yun, baka doon ka mag-excel. Baka doon ka magtagumpay. Do you get what my point is, everyone? Yes! Okay, very good.